Hey there fellow WordPress users, welcome to RackNerd TV. I am Christian and today we are about to embark on a game-changing journey setting up a WordPress site quickly, powered by the Astra theme. This is the ultimate shortcut to get your site up and running in no time. But before we dive into the magic of instant websites, ensure that you've got a reliable hosting platform with WordPress installed and ready to follow along with this tutorial. If you're on the lookout, check out racknerd.com for hosting services that match your needs. Now let's go ahead and dive into the fastest way of launching your WordPress website with just a click using the Astra theme. Before we jump into the tutorial, let's talk about why the Astra theme is a fantastic choice. Astra is not just a theme, it is a powerhouse that combines innovation, flexibility, and customization options. Now imagine having all of that at your fingertips in just a few seconds. And the best part, it's free. So stick around and I'll guide you through the effortless process. All right, let's make some magic happen. Let me share my screen and let's get into the tutorial. First off, make sure that you are logged into your WordPress dashboard. Now head on over to the themes section and click on add new. In the search bar, type Astra. Once you spot the Astra theme, hit install and then you guessed it, activate that theme. Here's where the magic kicks in. Hover over the Astra category in your dashboard and navigate to its dashboard section. Navigate to the starter templates and click on the install link. Now it will direct you to a page where you will be asked for your preferred page builder. I will use Elementor as it is our most popular and #1 for the free category of page builders. On the next page, you will see a range of starter templates catering to different website types. Just click the ones without the premium label, as those are the only free ones we can use. And choose the one that aligns with your vision. Now add your logo and adjust the size according to your desired outcome as you see fit on the screen here. On the next prompt, you can tweak the colors, fonts, and content to match your brand or personal style. Customize it to your heart's content. With Astra, the possibilities are limitless. Once you're done, you'll be directed to the confirmation page. Just skip filling out all of your personal information. We will only focus on the advanced options here. I will just leave everything as is except for the sharing of data and submit the build my site option. At this stage, your entire website will be set up, complete with pages, layouts, and Astra's sleek design, as you can see here. So congratulations, you have just set up a WordPress website. And it was just in a few minutes. Well done, my friend. After this, I highly recommend you check out our video about the recommended things to do after a WordPress installation. Then spend some time customizing your content to your liking and make it relevant to your brand. And there you have it, a fully functional, stylish WordPress website in just a few seconds. Setting up an instant WordPress website has never been this straightforward, all thanks to the Astra theme. So if you found this second wonder guide helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow WordPress enthusiasts out there, and consider subscribing for more quick and efficient tutorials like this one. And for those of you out there seeking top-tier hosting, look no further than racknerd.com. At RackNerd, we provide hosting solutions that complement the resources necessary for WordPress script along with Astra theme. With that said, thank you for joining us today, and until our next awesome WordPress tutorial, happy instant site building.